I just found this bucket of fidget toys and I have no idea where it came from, so let's go through it. Literally, I don't know when I got this or what's in here. Pop It Ball first. Full disclosure, I picked this up like 3 times. It has the exact name of my small town on it. It's from the library, so, this. I probably shouldn't post what small town I live in, so I'm gonna put this away. But this is crazy. So we have these things that are not fidgets or mini brands. I don't know what to do with these. We have all of these Nitos, all of these mini brands, and there's random fidgets. Controversial, I know, but the mini brands just live up here for some reason. I have them in my fidget drawers. Mini brands and fidgets feel very similar to me. I don't care if they're not, they still go in there. For the fidgets, we have this little ouchie thing that you squeeze and it hurts a bit and it's color changing. This is where I keep my ouchies. These balls, which I know are technically fidgets, but I never think they are. They go up there. 2 mochis. 2 Taba emochis. This goes in the mochi drawer too. What is that? Oh, just a weird clump. A tiny snowball? I don't even know where this goes. Maybe in here? Yeah. A wacky track. It's a lot floppier than the average wacky track, but it's still gonna go in here with the rest. This is a really pretty fidget spinner. These will go in the mini Pop It drawer, all of these. Everything else goes up here. Slinky goes right here. And these guys in here. This guy doesn't really have a drawer, but it goes next to this friend. Rings go in here. And actually, these 2 are brand new. I just got them at this cool like gift shop I found. I know where these guys came from. Oh no, I dropped her. And also this one. Come back for part 2, I'll show off the Nitos.